Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, where I bring you the best tips and tricks to make money online. Today I'm counting down the top 10 legit ways to make money from the comfort of your home. So if you want to start earning online, make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. Starting off at number 10, freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, programming, or even video editing, you can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. You set your own rates, and the best part, you work on your own schedule. Number 9, selling digital products. Whether it's an ebook, templates, stock photos, or even printables, platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it easy to start selling digital goods with zero inventory. Once you create it, you can sell it over and over again. Coming in at number 8, print on demand. Love designing? Create unique t-shirt, mug, or phone case designs and sell them using platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful. They handle the printing and shipping, you just collect the profits. Number 7, online tutoring. If you're good at a subject, why not teach it? Websites like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Preply allow you to earn by helping students around the world. Some tutors make up to $30 an hour. Number 6, affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to make passive income. Promote products from Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale, and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. A good strategy is to start a blog, YouTube channel, or use social media for promotions. Halfway through at number 5, dropshipping. No need to handle inventory or shipping. You sell products through an online store, and suppliers ship directly to the customer. Shopify, WooCommerce, and AliExpress make it super easy to start. Number 4, if you love taking photos or videos, you can sell them on stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5. Every time someone downloads your work, you earn money. This is a great way to generate passive income. Number 3, YouTube. Just like this channel, you can start your own YouTube channel, share valuable content, and earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The key, be consistent and provide value. Number 2, blogging. Start a blog about something you're passionate about and monetize it through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Platforms like WordPress and Medium make it super easy to start. And finally, at number 1, selling online courses. If you're an expert in something, create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. People are always willing to pay for valuable knowledge. And there you have it, the top 10 ways to make money online. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.